Good evening, all. A warm welcome to each and everyone who joined this Salesforce Masterclass. Myself, Arlene Sheila from AllPro Trainings is presenting this masterclass to you people. So before we get into the webinar, let's have a look about AP trainings. So now I am going to give the introduction about AllPro trainings. So we are providing all kinds of training, especially in the IT technologies, electrical, electronics, and the soft skills. In the IT technology itself, we are providing more than top 100 technology trainings all over the world. Telling about our achievements, we have already trained more than 10,000 students all over the world, especially in USA, European countries, and all over India, in which most of the students are placed in various MNCs with excellent packages. We are providing 3 types of training. The first one is the master class that you are attending now. And the second one is flash course, which will come for 5 minutes. And the final one is the full course, which will come for more than 30 hours. So now we are going to see about the today's webinar's agenda. The first one is participants introduction, which is for 10 minutes. Then the master class content is for 45 minutes, in which the trainer will explain all the topics related to Salesforce. Then 20 minutes, it is exclusive session to ask queries regarding the masterclass topics. The trainer will clear all your queries. And then the APT students guide explanation is for 5 minutes. After that, the APT offers session for the participants who joined the masterclass today, which is followed by the feedback session for 5 minutes, in which we will share the feedback link. You should attend the masterclass fully and fill the feedback form completely to get the certificate. The certificate will be sent to your email ID that you give in the feedback form within a week. So provide the correct email ID in the feedback form. So guys, please attend the session till the end. We'll be sharing the feedback link only at the end of the session. So now you people can introduce yourself in the chat box, which includes your name, profession, whether you are a student or working professional, and your expectation in this masterclass. Please introduce yourself in the chat box. Participants, please introduce yourself in the chat box. Mention a name. Hi, Soni. Hi, Surya. Hi, Vishwat. Hi, Viswa. Hi, Chetan. Hi, Abhinaya. Hi Rohini. Hi Sharma. Hi Gautam. Hi Subhashri. Hi Ahas. So everyone, please introduce yourself. You want to know whether you are students or working professionals, please introduce yourself. Hi Niteshwaran. Hi Sri Lakshmi. Hi Subhash Kumar. So most of them are students. We have one or two professionals also, working professionals. Santosh, hi. Hi Hari. So welcome all. Once again, welcome all to this master class. And hi Mohammed. So now we are going to get into the webinar session. So today we have a trainer, Mr. Parvesh, who is a well-experienced trainer. He has trained many students. So he is going to present the webinar to you people. So hello, sir. Welcome to AllPro trainings webinar session. Today's webinar session. You can proceed now.
Hi, Sheila. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So, yeah, can you share? I mean, is it visible? My screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible now.
Okay, fine. So, yeah, so good evening, all. So, yeah, so we can start. My name is Parvez, and I conduct training for Salesforce administrator, and I have already training. I've completed many training and many batches in this Salesforce administrator with various institutes, and I do work for a big MNC, and currently I have around 9 years plus of experience in IT. So this is what all about me. So yeah, so we can start in today's agenda, that is Salesforce administrator. So, and what is the purpose of this? So let's begin. Okay, so we are getting started to Salesforce. So why we need to learn the Salesforce? So Salesforce is a software as a service company, right? So it is a CRM. So mainly Salesforce focuses for to build a gap bridge between the customers and the end users, right? So to get to get the connection between both. So that is why they are they introduced the Salesforce, which is a customer relationship management. It is entirely, it is fully focused on where enhancement of the customer relationship management with the help of creating many other apps, custom apps, standard apps. So all these we can manage and create according to our own requirement or the project requirement given by the organization on the cloud, right? So along with Salesforce started off as a software as a service. So we can in short we are calling it as a SaaS. Okay, SaaS company. Okay, so along with SaaS, Salesforce now provides a platform where its clients can create the own application. So own application in the sense custom application, and we have around two types of application, objects, fields, or whatever it is. Going forward in the entire session, we are going to use only the two types. So that is standard and custom. Okay, so if it is a standard apps, there is a custom apps, and it is standard objects, custom objects, standard fields, custom fields, standard tabs, custom tabs. So it goes on like this in this way. So there are just only two types, right? So this is called as a platform as a service. Okay, so although most of the Salesforce revenue comes through platform as a service, SaaS is also used by many under Fortune 500 companies. So it is listed under Fortune 500 companies. Okay, so Salesforce CRM helps companies to manage relationship with their customers and integrate with other important systems. So integrate means in the sense, so if for example there is another technology, so apart from Salesforce, say like .NET, Java, or anything else, so you just want to migrate or integrate from that particular technology to Salesforce, then it is very easy when compared to other other technologies. So it is very easy. So we can have the data management, and we can load many customers at a single point of time. So there is a tool called data loader where we can import the data. So where we can migrate the data from one technology to other, 50 million records at a time. Okay, so we have all these functionalities in Salesforce, that is inbuilt, and other third-party apps also. So that is what we are going to see in further session. Okay. So Salesforce CRM is a SaaS tool that aids companies in creating personalized solutions for user marketing, say, service, sales, and e-commerce platform. So for example, if you take an organization, so it runs through a chain link. Okay, right? So first is their marketing. So marketing campaign, whatever it is. So if you want to sell a vehicle or whatever, you want to sell a product, and you have built a showroom, and you have many large organization and warehouse and all these things. But main thing, if without marketing, you cannot sell the product for many end users, right? So you won't be getting benefited without using the marketing skills, right? So marketing, and then goes to sales. So sales is what where you can where you are you're communicating with the end user for first level of inquiry or inquiry or prospect, you can say. So after sales, there is a service, and there is a e-commerce platform also. So e-commerce already, right, like Flipkart, Amazon, so whatever it is. So you can you can showcase your product on that platform, so to get a more benefit for the organization, right? So Salesforce CRM data is cloud based, so it is entirely cloud based. So you need not worry about the database. Okay, you need not worry about the database like in other technologies you need to download softwares, and you want to download softwares, multiple packages, and you want to download the backend. So there is, say, like for example SQL or other backend, and you want to connect that string between the both front end and backend, and then whatever changes you want to do, you need to do in backend, then only it will be manageable at the front end, though then only it will be changed. And you can design, develop, and test whatever it is, and support whatever it is. You need to do only in backend, right? So but in Salesforce, it is entirely cloud based. You don't need to worry about the database itself, right? So everything Salesforce will take care on its own. So Salesforce organization will take care about the database backup or whatever it is. They will handle everything on their own cloud server. There is not any organization separate server. So the only Salesforce headquarters will organize and manage all the database by themselves. Okay. And so it is like just like you are using Facebook, right? So you're using Facebook where you're just entering, you're posting, right? So you're posting and you're updating. So you're updating the changes, you're updating settings. Even though LinkedIn, you can say a better example, LinkedIn, Facebook, and other social networking sites. So same like that, Salesforce you're going to use. You just click edit save button. So that is what you're going to use in actions. So that is what you're going to use in Salesforce. Okay. So it can be accessed remotely from anywhere. So there is no dependency like you should only use Salesforce in your laptop or your system, right? So you can use it in a mobile itself, right? So there is no restriction, so that you can use it only in a laptop or system or whatever it is. For example, say like if you are in a business trip or any family vacation, so then you got some emergency and you just need to change your profile or some other profile, just a 1 or 2 minutes work, and then you need not call your colleague and disturb them, right? So you can right away download the Salesforce mobile app, and right away you can change the thing which is under the project management, and you can update whatever things you need. So for that, you need to go to if Android, you have that Google TV, so there you can go and download for Salesforce a mobile app. So there you can have the functionality of all the things what you are going to create in a website, so that will be available in mobile itself, right? So you don't need not worry about that you need to create a separate thing in mobile. Okay, so it is the same login what you are going to use throughout the whatever it is, whatever the device is, no matter, so you'll just going to use the same login and password. Okay, so it helps accelerate the productivity, and hence it is a major fact in growth. Okay, and next is Salesforce is a market leader in CRM. Okay, some of the reasons we are going to see. So Salesforce altogether reduces the development time and cost and delivers the application in a much shorter time. So here the thing is, in other technologies you are going to use the development time more, and only admin part you'll be having very less, right? So, and even though there is no some admin part and all, so here in Salesforce, whatever you're going to do in development, so that can be done in just the admin itself. Without the coding, you can do everything in admin itself. So in most cases, then you can go in vast case, then you can go for development. And so it delivers it reduces the cost and delivers the application in a much shorter time due to this. Okay, so and Salesforce is SFDC is nothing but salesforce.com. So that is a short form we are going to use in a org. And you should not call as I mean, in a professional way or any good practice, you should say like not Salesforce account or Salesforce login. You should use the term like Salesforce org. Okay, so you should use this term for while you are telling about the Salesforce login or account, right? So Salesforce SFDC allows the buying and selling of application. So it is you can relate this to the Android Google TV, right? So there is a SFDC app exchange feature has proven to be a good marketplace for users to sell their custom made application. So app exchange is nothing but in Android you will be having this Google TV, so same Salesforce will have their app exchange. So in app exchange you have multiple of application, so that is custom application where you can download and use for your own project. So that is built by some other users, so that you can use. For example, if you are you are using in one mobile, you are using many application, right? So same way you are going to do in this also. Okay, so Salesforce availability on cloud makes this accessible from anywhere in the world. So availability is anywhere in the world. And next we are going to see is the Salesforce difference between the Salesforce traditional CRM and the Salesforce CRM. Okay, so traditional CRM is hosted on a company's own server, and next Salesforce CRM is hosted on the cloud. So as it is a sales cloud or service cloud, marketing cloud, so it has some different categories, so that it will relate to their own cloud. Okay, and next is traditional CRM, so difficult to understand and use. Okay, so but Salesforce is CRM is easy to understand and use. So other traditional CRM takes months or even years to set up. So setting up makes takes much more time, so even months or years. So it depends on the data. It depends on the data. And so in Salesforce CRM, it can be set up in a few days or weeks itself. Okay, and next is require overall higher cost in traditional CRM, but in Salesforce CRM, it requires overall lower cost. So cost is lower in this. And in a training session, so for admin or development training session, you are going to create a developer. So that is a free edition for you to perform all the activities. So that is completely free edition. In case your organization or some organization is ready to take the Salesforce, so they need to purchase some license. Okay, so there is some developer license, enterprise edition, developer edition, enterprise edition, sandbox edition. So all this edition will be there. So it depends upon the the charges depends upon the edition. So it differs actually. So next is Salesforce benefits. So Salesforce offers its customers many benefits that make it a leader in the CRM space. So I can say like CRM, Salesforce is #1 in CRM space. Okay, so some of the benefits of CRM are mentioned here for your reference. And so Salesforce is a complete future loaded solution for sales, marketing, service, community, and partner management. And Salesforce is founded by Mark Benioff at in the year 1999. Okay, then later it got boomed around 2003, and yeah, it still leads the market in today's world. Okay, so you can store your Salesforce data in a cloud. This will help your team to access the data from anywhere in the world. Okay, for example, if you are making any changes in this Salesforce website, then immediately the change will occur in their profile. Okay, so there is no any time delay that will happen. So immediately, instantly, it will be updated. Okay. And next is Salesforce is versatile and caters to companies of different size. So so it can be easily manageable by the companies of different size. So no matter how many employees are there, it can be easily manageable. And next is Salesforce offers its service on a pay as you go service model. As I told, Salesforce has some license plan like you have in Netflix. So there is a basic, standard, premium. So like this, the license differs from one to another. Okay, and based on the organization sizes also. Okay, so Salesforce helps you in accelerating sales productivity and increasing customer loyalty, retention, and satisfaction. So if you accelerate, here the point is, if you accelerate the sales productivity, then the output will solve almost the increase. It will increase the customer loyalty, retention, and satisfaction. So if you increase the sales productivity, so customer satisfaction also will increase, and the customer loyalty, retention also will increase, and the word of mouth also will increase. So that it will be benefited to your organization only, right? And next is Salesforce offers easy integration with third-party apps. Okay, so which can help in the growth of your company. So easy integration, third-party app means, so it is like a app exchange. Okay, and next is features. So features of Salesforce. So Salesforce offers many features to its customer to help them grow their business. Okay, so it offers many features. For example, it totally cut down your manual work. Okay, so it totally can cut down your manual work. For example, if you are in if you have any automobile industry, so say like you are working in automobile industry, for example, there is a sales representative who has achieved the highest target or opportunity, say like he has closed a big deal. Okay, so big deal. So once he is reaches the big deal, say like in a month he is reaching 2 or 3 big deals, and he wants to notify this to the higher management. So there is a hierarchy. So sales representative means there'll be a head like say like marketing lead or any production lead or whatever it is. So they will be notified. So what to do in this case? So Salesforce offers a special functionality or the automation tool where there's the sales representative, uh, instead of instead of sending the mail to their higher authority, in Salesforce there is an option where you can schedule email alert. Okay, so once this opportunity has reached this guy, the sales representative has reached uh, a higher this thing deal. So automatically what it will do, it will send a customer alert. Okay, so email alert to the higher authority, right? So that is the that is the thing you can do automatically. And even though you can create the task, email alert, and some other things you can do, so that we'll be seeing in the future topics where we'll be getting a more idea. So the right now there is just an example for you to cut down the manual work. Okay, and next is contact management. So contact management pulls the customer's data such as customers communication, activity history, etc. So in any organization or any institute or whatever it is, or whatever your organization is or whatever the institute is, the customer data is the main thing, right? So customer data is main thing. So without the customer data, nobody can run an institute or organization or a company or whatever it is, right? So whatever it is, or employee this thing, supermarket, whatever it is, you need the customer data. But say in Salesforce, the contact management is done very very easily. So you can you can handle the customer data very easily in a few steps, right? So you can create an account, you can create a contact, you can create a lead. So whatever it is, you can create in just a few steps, right? Lead, case, whatever it is, you can create in a few steps. So that is Salesforce offers is the the option very easily to you for end users. Okay. And marketing and sales lead. So measures customer engagement through email activity tracking and convert leads to customers. Okay, so marketing and sales lead in this line, I'll just give an example on this. So say like so you are interested in purchasing a Hyundai vehicle. So like say like go for i20. Okay, so you are in a home and you are seeing an ad in a laptop or anything, right? So anything you are seeing and you are showing your interest and you are visiting this Hyundai website. Okay, so what the thing is, so you are in Hyundai, they are using the Salesforce application. Okay, so now you are going to, so now you are going to access the website and you just entering the details and click on submit. Okay, so enter what you are going to enter: the name, contact number, email address, and giving submit. So once you click on submit, so it will automatically go to the Salesforce account, so Salesforce website, and it will convert to leads or case. Okay, so automatically it will convert to leads or case. Then one person will be assigned to track all the activities and confirm the closure. So there is no need to do any manual entry in this Salesforce. Okay, so it can be done automatically. So that is what the it can convert leads to customers, right? The next is build and run innovative apps. Okay, so build, scales, and manages app. Okay, so build, you can build the apps, you can configure the apps, scales, and manage the apps. Okay, so we can build the innovative apps. And next is Salesforce Analytics. So builds dashboards. So dashboard is very very useful for any organization, where in a single page you can you can have a multiple charts of reports, where if you're having any multiple brand, you can access all the brand datas, all the brand datas or analytics in a single page. Okay, so that could be a separate product also, no matter, you can access in a single page. So it pulls the data and perform analysis. So next is sales community. So helps companies to connect with customers, employees, and partners. Okay, so helps companies to connect with customers. So it community means it helps to connect with customers, employees, and partners as well. So Salesforce engine helps build personalized contacts with customers for various campaign designed by the marketing system. So for marketing, you need to go for campaign, so designed by the marketing system. Then only you can go for the product sale or whatever it is. Okay, so next is lead management. Helps track the progress of lead is nothing but first level of inquiry, or collecting the information from the customers, you can say, or a prospect, where you can go for the closure of the deal or closure of the vehicle purchase. Next is partnership management. Help build partner communities and share goals, activities, and objects. So you can share goals, activities, and objects by using this partner communities. And this is what the workflow and approval. So I was telling email alert, so you can you can configure automatic email alert. So with the help of workflow only, you're going to use this. And there is another automated tool also there. So implemented by the Salesforce. And next is approvals. So approvals, for example, if you are working in an organization or whatever it is, or any college or whatever it is, or school, whatever it is, you will be sending a leave request, right? So that leave request we can access in a automatic way, right? So it can be done in an automatic way. So that is for approvals. So offers a simple interface to simply drag and drop. Next is sales forecasting. So offers real-time view of the sales team forecast. Okay, so it offers real-time view, which means how the forecast, so how the brand how the brand acts, so whether it is going up or whether it is going down, so downslide and upslide. So based on this, the organization can decide on how well we can enhance the product and perform for the high this thing, high remuneration. Okay, next thing. So products, so Salesforce products. So there are a number of Salesforce products that cater to a different requirements of the customers. So some of them we are going to see. So there is a cloud. So there are various cloud in Salesforce. So they are differentiated between this. So Sales Cloud is the primary Salesforce product. So it is a primary. So because sales is the main thing. So after sales only you'll be handling all the other clouds. So Sales Cloud is the primary Salesforce product. It helps companies with their sales. Marketing Cloud, so it helps company with digital marketing service. So nowadays digital marketing is very booming everywhere, right? Service Cloud, so Service Cloud helps customer support teams. Okay, so it helps to support teams where we can communicate and help the user issues or incident or case, whatever it is. And next is Commerce Cloud. So Commerce Cloud enables user to sell their products. Okay, so commerce is that actually already I told. So that is e-commerce, Amazon, Flipkart, or other sites. And Experience Cloud let users create different platform as when required. And IoT Cloud is used to process and store IoT data. Okay, and Analytics Cloud. 1 minute. Okay, Analytics Cloud provides a platform for data analysis and storage. Okay, so data analysis and storage. And next thing is Health Cloud. Health Cloud provides a CRM platform for healthcare and life science. Okay, so it is particularly based on that, right? So and next is fine. Yeah, so Health Cloud is the last one. So yeah, so that is what all about the introduction of the Salesforce. Hello. Hello, Shiba, are you there?
Yeah. It's over, sir?
Yeah, it's over.
Okay. Guys, any queries you can ask the trainer. Any queries, you can unmute yourself and ask the trainer. Or you can mention the chat box. How many users are there till now?
Yeah. Hi, this is Shakir here. I'm audible?
Hi, Shakir. Yeah.
Yeah. Does Salesforce helps in the prospecting leads actually?
Yeah.
Does it help it?
Yeah, it helps.
Okay, like generating leads and searching for leads, is it?
Exactly. So it generates automatic leads, not manual leads. Manual in case manual leads also you can create, but it generates automatic leads. Like I said, right? So Hyundai website you're going and entering your name, all this, and you're going to submit in a Hyundai website only, right? But then you're configuring that into the Salesforce application. So Salesforce application. So then once you enter the submit, so all your details would be automatically converted to the lead. Okay. So it will be automatically converted to the lead. So in this way, it helps. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Fine. Yeah. Any other questions?
Any other queries? So thank you so much, sir, for this amazing session. It was quite interesting and all the topics we have covered are very clear and helpful. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
So now I am sharing a feedback video from one of our student who completed Selenium course from AllPro trainings. Kindly watch it.
Hi guys, I'm Aishwarya from Chennai, and I'm working in testing background. I'm a manual tester, come automation tester. As I needed some help with automation training, I reached out to Ayyappan from AP Trainings. So he suggested me to take up the Selenium Java course, and I got a very good guidance from AP Training from Rahul and Ayyappan from AP, and currently I have got an offer with a 120% hike, and I finally got the confidence and courage to move to switch to another company only after completing this training, and I will definitely suggest you guys to get into AP training and get yourself moved to a better career. Thank you.
Now I'm sharing some of the feedback and reviews from our students, given them through our social media. So this is the feedback from our Selenium student. Whether my screen is visible?
No, no, it is not visible.
Okay. Yes, whether it's visible now?
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So this is a review from our Selenium student Aishwarya, who got a 120% hike after taking Selenium course from AllPro trainings. This is the review from our Python student Mohana Priya. She also get trained in AllPro trainings. And she told the class helped her to improve her skills. And this is the review from our Blue Prism student Pranita Kiran. Student or trainer is very professional and refers the AllPro trainings to other students also. And this is the review from our UiPath student, Munida Reddy. He says the way of teaching is very excellent. And this is the feedback from another student, SQLDBA student. He says, thank you very much for your training. It was really helpful to understand him about SQL. And this is the review from our USA student, Parveen Bono. He took Blue Prism course from us. After taking Blue Prism training from AllPro trainings, she switched her training from teaching to IT field. She told she felt 100% worth for the money she paid. And this is the review from and next is the review from another student, Surya, who learned SQL from AllPro trainings, who also placed with a very good package. And next is the feedback from a non-IT student, Anis, course and got field. This is the feedback from our student, Elias, was currently working in an MNC. And we have another feedback from another Java student, Sondre from USC, who recommends AllPro trainings for better future. So these are the reviews from some of the students who got trained from AllPro trainings. So they are all placed in MNCs with excellent packages. So now I'm sharing the APT students guide. So now I'm going to explain how we are providing training to our students in our training center and how it helps them to place all over the world. So here we are following 5 forces. First one is the simple learning methodology. Next is students recall. Next is creative explanation. And fourth one is fingertip materials. And fifth is additional bonuses. In the simple learning methodology, once you join the course, every day you will have a class for 75 minutes, in which we have divided the 75 minutes into 6 sessions. Is for 10 minutes, in which people can ask the previous day class queries to the trainer. The next session is for 20 minutes, in which the trainer will take set of topics for that day. The next session is for 15 minutes, in which people have to practice in front of the trainer. In the fourth session, the trainer will take the next set of topics for 15 minutes. This is followed by a session in which you can practice for 10 minutes. And in the final session, you recall the topics you learned on that day for 5 minutes. So totally it will be around 75 minutes. So next is the learning pyramid. The learning pyramid model suggests that some methods of study are more effective than others. The learning pyramid shows that if you are able to accurately and currently teach a subject to others, you have a very good mastery of the concept. So all of our students who train in AllPro trainings are very well trained to this level. And next is creative explanation. Different kinds of learning are available now. We have e-learning, e-coaching, collab learning, and virtual classrooms. Nowadays, you can get everything on the internet, but you don't know exactly what will help you to find a job. So our training is structured in a way that the trainer will guide you to select what you exactly needed. It will be like a virtual classroom. So you can clear all your queries directly with the trainer. And OneNotes. So all the class notes will be provided day-wise so that it will be easy for you to revise the topics at any time. And mind mapping, it is a note-making method which we are following in AllPro trainings. Then the class notes with the pictures, diagrammatic flow explanation, and training notes in a single notebook will be provided to you. fingertip materials from day 1 to till the end of the course. All live classes are recorded, and the required software will also be provided in share drive. So you will get live courses as well as the recordings or the same for future references. Also, don't want to miss the class. You will be providing the recordings, so you can use it for your future references. And additional bonuses. So if you join, arranging for free interview session, we'll provide lifelong community support. We'll provide job links. We'll help you in resume preparation. We'll provide guidance in acquiring the professional certifications and also the LinkedIn recommendation. Sorry. So this is the APT offer session. So as I mentioned earlier, there are 3 types of training models available in provided by AllPro trainings. One is the masterclass, which is the free webinar that you are attending now. And the next one is a flash course, which will be come for either for 5 to 10 hours. And next is the full course, which will be coming around 30 to 35 hours. So all these are available on online, either in Skype or through Zoom. So training will be conducted at your preferred timing. So can you guys guess what will be the market price now? So up to your knowledge, what is the market price for Salesforce course? Please mention in the chat box. Any guess? What is the market price for Salesforce course? So the market price for Salesforce is around 25K to 30K. So we are not offering, we are not charging that much. So AllPro trainings, in AllPro trainings, the full course price is 15K and the flash course price is 2K. So in AllPro trainings, we are offering Salesforce course at 15K. The full course, it will be 15K. And for the flash course, it will be 2K. So there is a special offer for those people who have attended this master class. So only for those people who have attended this master class, we have a special 15 minutes offer. So for those who attend this master class, the full course price is just 13K and the flash course price is 999. So I think this will be this is a reasonable price. So you can make use of it. So those people who are attending this master class today, you have only for you people, this discount crazy offer is available. It is just for 15 minutes. The full course price is 13K and the flash course price is 999. Kindly make use of it. So what are the special bonuses you'll be getting if you join AllPro trainings? They'll be arranging a free interview session. We'll be helping you in resume preparations. All our trainers are professionally certified trainers. They will guide you. Not only, it's not a theoretical classes. So they will be guiding you with real-time projects, and we'll be providing lifelong community support, LinkedIn recommendation, and job guidance. Guys, and now I am sharing you the feedback link in the chat box. So only those who fill the feedback form will receive the e-certificates in their mail ID. So provide correct mail ID. So now I'm sharing. So now I'm sharing the feedback form link. I hope you would have received in the chat box. Please check in the chat box and I'll share the feedback form link in the chat box. Please give a reply if you received the feedback form link. Have you received a feedback form link? Anyone, please reply in the chat box. Okay, so please fill the feedback form correctly. Please provide correct mail ID. Then only you will receive your e-certificate. Don't mention your mail ID in the chat box. I have shared the feedback form link in the chat box. Please, once again, I'm sharing the feedback form link. Please fill the feedback form. So the special advantages of learning in AllPro trainings is all your queries can be cleared by the trainer at any time. Training is conducted at your preferred time. So we have weekdays classes, morning or evening. We also have weekend classes. I will be providing recorded videos and daily class notes and documents will also be shared with you. So the salary prediction. So if you are a fresher, the salary pack will be 2.5 lakhs per annum. So if you update yourself with the current technologies, you will surely get 5 lakhs per annum. A small amount you spent can give a big change to your career. So kindly make use of this offer. This offer is only for those people who have joined this masterclass. Please make use of it and fill the feedback form correctly. So the full course price is just 13K and the flash course price is 999. So one small step can change your life. And here I'm sharing the payment link. I'm also sharing the payment link in the chat box. So if you can't pay the full amount immediately, you can make a token payment of ₹1,000 and book your course. So once you make the payment, share the screenshot in a WhatsApp number. So I'm sharing our WhatsApp number also. So if you have any queries, please ask in this number. You can contact at this number. So hope you would have filled the feedback form. So the Salesforce full course fees is just 13K. Kindly make use of it. So this offer is only for those people who have attended this masterclass today. So it is available only for 15 minutes of a session. So 15 minutes offer only for those people who have joined this master class. The full course price is 13K and the flash course price is 1000, just 999. The future scope of for a Salesforce is very bright. So kindly, you please update yourself with Salesforce, take a course with AllPro trainings and enhance your career. Few more minutes, please, everyone fill the feedback form. So the demand for Salesforce is booming now. So you can update yourself by taking a course, Salesforce course in AllPro trainings, and you can make use of this offer. This offer is only for exclusively for those people who have joined this master class. So hope everyone would have filled the feedback form. So we are going to end the session now. Thank you so much for your wonderful participation. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, kindly contact us in the given number in the chat box. So thank you so much. We are ending the session now.